Hi there, welcome to my channel Man&Motor. Today I'm going to do something different. Obviously I fix cars. Today I'm going to do kitchen units. I'm going to show them how I clean them. These are gloss units. It's quite difficult to clean, obviously with Asian families. We tend to have oily food, and obviously when you cook, the grease, obviously we've got the cooker hood, but the grease still flies. You see the grease on the unit there. If we go close up, it's grease. And I've done the top unit, so just thought I'll share with you how I tend to do it. Today I'm using a brake cleaner, clutch brake cleaner. It's really good. It cleans anything. I usually cleaning the oil, dust off the brakes, but I've tried this method on kitchen units and it's been working for me for a long time. These units are around 16 years old and you still get that shine, and you don't really lose the shine at all with this. It just helps so much easier to clean greasy units and anything really on it. It just wipes it off easy. It saves you a lot of time. Just like that. Just circular motion, just wipe it. See how it just comes off so nice and you get that shine back again. Obviously with the brake cleaner, it's not like the oily chemicals in it. You just spray it and it dries off pretty quick, so you just wipe it off very quick. So just dig a little bit your nails in it, in the cloth, not outside. Don't want to scratch the units so much. So this one will be a bit of a challenge. See how close up you see the grease on it. I'll show you on that one in a minute. Just do this unit first, then I'll move on to the other one. So I've done that 2 units now. See how lovely shine. So obviously it's 16 years old, this unit, so you're gonna have a little bit scratches here and there. It's very fine scratches. It's quite old now over the years, but see I still get that shine back. So this product doesn't fade away at all, the gloss on the units. Get that shine back. So now I'm going to move on to this one. As you can see, this one's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I'll show you how it's done. Not a lot of force you have to use with your hands. It's really easy. You're going to just spray it around here and wipe it away. See, you don't have to use a lot of force. Wipe it away. See, you don't have to use a lot of force. Women out there who clean their unit, not a lot of force. Unless you can't use a bit of force, tell your partner to help you out. See, I do it a lot. These units, I give my wife a hand cleaning this, and she appreciates a lot, and I give her a hand in the house cleaning. So far I do this job for her. So it's not really hard at all, it's just patience you need. Obviously mine's like an L-shaped kitchen, so it's pretty good. I feel sorry for people who've got a very big kitchen, have lots of units, but trust me, it will help a lot. So as you can see, I've done the top unit, and now I'm going to do the bottom. You see the difference there? It's like a matte color, which is not really, it's just the grease on top of the unit, the gloss unit. So that's how it should come out at the bottom. So I'm going to start doing that one. Now I'm going to show you the bottom unit. Spray, circular motion, just rub. See the difference already? It's not finished yet, but look, it's coming off. See how easy it is. So here you go. Top unit. But this was all greasy. Nice and clean now. See how easy it is. I've tried many products before, you know, bleach, kitchen cleaner, all sorts, but it just doesn't do the job. But this brake cleaner does, it's just miracles. It does everything. And I'll put the description below, the link where I got it from. And you can purchase it. It only costs like £3. It's not a lot of money. It does last, I think, a couple of, it depends how much you spray really, but it doesn't cost a lot of money. It's really good. I'm going to show you how I do it on a mat as well. This is gloss, but I'll show it to a mat, and I use it on I'm going to use it on a fridge as well, so I'll show you that in a minute. Here you go. It's all done. See that nice shine on the unit. So it's braking, it does miracle. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you know where you can purchase it from. It's really good. It doesn't cost a lot of money. I think roughly £3. Not really sure, but it's still very cheap. I'm trying to get a good quality one. There's other qualities out there, but I think this one's a really good one, and it does the job, as you can see. So now I'm going to do the cooker hood. See the grease on there as well. Just wipe down a little bit there. Just going to spray. See how easy it is coming off. Not too much force. See, here you go. The cooker hood is done. Nice and shiny. Got a mirror effect. Here I'm gonna do the matte units. So you got the fingerprints. Again, I'm gonna use this one I just done earlier. See the difference. Spray it and then wipe it down. See how easy it is. Don't have to use a lot of force. Spray a bit more. See how it just dries up really quick. So once that's done, just tend to use that, just get that finishing touch. It just dries up. See, all the marks are gone. So all the cleaning is done. The units. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video. Hope this helps for all the housewives and house husbands out there. And trust me, this brake cleaner really helps. Thank you very much for watching this video.